Hey everyone, Bob Doiron here. I'm going to show you today how to replace a broken handle on a 2010 Ford F-150. I bought the handle for 16 bucks on Amazon, and the only tools you need is a driver, a 6mm, 8mm, and a steak knife. Come on, let me show you. So here's a busted handle right here, and it broke. I don't know how it broke, but first thing you want to do, you want to come in and pop this plate along the back with your steak knife, and you can do that just by doing this, by getting up under it. You'll hear it pop. You come around here with the camera and pull on the handle, and there's the plate. Just like that. You want to put on the 8mm, just like that. Back out this screw right here. There you go. I'm just going to put it down here so I don't lose it. Next, you want to come up to the top right here. Bring the camera up so you can see it. Take your steak knife and pop this panel off the top. It's like a little cover plate. Just like that, using your knife. Then you put your 8mm nut driver on there, back it out. There we go. Next, you're going to want to swap out your driver to a 6mm. And right below the door, there's two screws. One right here, and one towards the front. So I'm going to back this one out right here. It's like this. And the other one just like this one. There you go. So that should do all of the hardware holding the door panel on. So if you just grab like I am right here, lift up on it, there it is. So next you want to take your steak knife and push in on these tabs in the front. You can take the whole door panel off. These two tabs in the front to pull the, just like that. You push in on them. I'll do it again so you can see. You know I need the steak knife. You can just push in on the tabs, just like this, and it'll pop right out. Go ahead and drop the handle. I'm just going to drop the door panel like this. So for this right here, you're going to want to take a look at it, see where it broke. So I'm going to take my steak knife and I'm going to turn this upside down and hold it like this with a little bit of pressure. And I'm just going to push one of these tabs in. Like that, so it catches, and then I'll push the second one in. There you go. Just like that. It'll come right out. Take it off the door handle. Take your new door handle. First feed it through the eyelet, just like this. Pull it around, up through the slot, and push it until you hear a click. There you go. So it's secured. Next, you're going to want to feed it through the hole, just like this, and come around here with the camera, and you're going to want to pop it in just like that. Take your door panel, look right over here, and you can see how these tabs right here kind of line up with the hole in the door. One thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the unlock pin right here is through the hole. And I'm going to do that just by pushing on it. Making sure the bottom tabs are in the hole. I'll push on the lever. Just like that. Looks like I may have gotten one off. You just got to be careful not to break the tabs. There you go. I pushed it a little closer. I'll push in on the there we go. There we go. There you go. So before you screw it back together, you're going to want to make sure that your power door locks work. And they do. So we're going to reverse installation, grabbing your 6mm with the 2 black screws. Start at the bottom of the door. Screw them all the way in. Just like that. You're going to take the, looks like a galvanized or silver-ish looking screw. Come up here, you're going to have to swap out your 6mm with your 8mm. Make sure everything's aligned so you can see the threaded hole. And screw it in. Just like that. Take your cover plate and put it back in. You have a small little tab here, and that's going to go towards your front tire. There you go. Next, you're going to take your bigger screw and put it in here. Tighten it in. That one there, the backing came off, but I'll fix that later. So take your panel, reverse it, put it in back end first, and just like that. There you go. So the panel's in. All right, so there you go. So now I'm just gonna check to make sure that the door handle works. All right, camera lady. There we go. There it is. Just like new. All right, well, I hope this was helpful and hopefully save you some money from going to a car dealership. Anyway, Bob Doiron again. Have a great day. See ya.